So the job to be done describes the job or the main goal. We've been already talking a little bit about this. Is that it's the main goal of the users that they're trying to accomplish with your product. The classic example brought up by Clay Christensen, he's a professor at Harvard, is the milkshake. So when people drink milkshake, people think, oh, it's just a milkshake, but it could be hired by people for many different types of jobs. One of them could be to get the daily dose of sugar. Another could be a hot summer and people just want to drink something cold. Or third, it could be to cheer up people after a bad day. Another example could be in the iPhone, right? When you think about an iPhone, there could be many different jobs, and this might be subliminal. People don't really think about it right at the get-go, but they're hiring iPhone for many different jobs. It could be to stay in touch with loved ones in another country. It could be to keep up to date with important meetings or emails that you have during the day for your business. Third, you can create content for social media and build your personal brand, whether you're an influencer or you just want to take more photos for Instagram or whatever you have for social media. And what happens here is with the job to be done centric onboarding experience is what you can do is if you know what the people's job is when they sign up, then you can personalize all the features that would get them to accomplish that job, but also you can position your product better as to solving and being that solution for that particular problem or pain point that they're hiring you for. So if it's job one, you'd highlight all the features that is related. For example, the iPhone, if it's related to getting them to, they're hiring it to stay in touch with loved ones that are from another country that are far away, you can highlight the FaceTime feature, or you can highlight the FaceTime voice, FaceTime call. You can talk about group messages and other features that would help them accomplish staying in touch with the loved ones from far away, right? And then you can position your product as a solution to stay in touch with the loved ones. So really here's more personalized because now you're not doing a shotgun effect, or you're not actually trying to disconnect what their goal is to the bunch of features that you're going to apply.